Balcony plants, a guide to urban greenery. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the world of balcony plants. Whether you have a small balcony or a large terrace, understanding what balcony plants are and how to care for them can transform your urban space into a green oasis. So, let's get started on this exciting journey. Balcony plants are more than just potted plants. They are your companions in creating a personal green space in urban settings. These plants can range from small herbs to larger shrubs, each bringing its unique beauty and benefits to your balcony. They not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home but also contribute to a healthier living environment by purifying the air and providing a sense of tranquility. When selecting plants for your balcony, consider factors like sunlight, climate, and space. Some plants thrive in direct sunlight, while others prefer shaded areas. It's essential to choose plants that suit the environmental conditions of your balcony. Popular choices include petunias, lavender, and succulents for sunny balconies, while ferns and peace lilies are great for shaded areas. Caring for balcony plants involves regular watering, adequate sunlight, and occasional fertilization. The key is to understand the specific needs of each plant. Overwatering can be as harmful as underwatering. Also, keep an eye out for pests and diseases, and treat them promptly to keep your plants healthy. Decorating your balcony with plants can be a creative and enjoyable process. You can use hanging planters, wall-mounted pots, or even DIY containers. The arrangement of plants can create a visually appealing and relaxing atmosphere. Mixing and matching different plant types and sizes can add depth and character to your balcony garden. We hope this video has inspired you to start or enhance your balcony garden. Remember, balcony plants are not just decorations. They are a way to connect with nature and improve your living space. So, go ahead, choose your plants, and start your balcony gardening journey today. Happy planting, and see you in our next video.